a very crucial moment of making sure we've got a little bit more progress in terms of our kitchen organisation and stuff like that. So it is a very exciting Amazon haul, and I managed to pick up some really good stuff for like the cutlery drawer, things for the fridge, worktops, utensils, things like that. So yeah, I've got loads of stuff to show you, so I'm going to get straight on into it. So make sure you've got your favourite drinks. At the minute I have got my OG, which is apple and blackcurrant juice from Robinson's. It is the best juice ever. I've got it in my Starbucks cup with loads of ice, because if you can't see from behind me, it is hot. Like, it is so hot today. But anyway, I'm going to keep sipping on this throughout this video to hopefully keep me hydrated and not pass out. I have also got the fan on in the background, so if you can hear that, I do apologise. Hopefully it isn't too loud or too annoying, but it's too hot in here without it. But yeah, I hope you're all snuggled up on the sofa with your favourite drinks, favourite snacks, and let's get into this Amazon haul. Okay, first things first. Now, I have eyed these up for a while on Amazon, and I just kind of think it's probably an essential to have in a kitchen. And I think whenever you go to like the kitchen places where you get your kitchens designed and stuff like that, they always have them like randomly dotted around. But it's a fire extinguisher, and it is actually in quite a cute little bottle for the job that it's going to do, and it's basically one of those that can actually put out I don't know if you can do it on all of them, but it puts out like electrical fires, cooking oil, textiles, petrol/diesel, and paper and card. And it says protecting your home, car, work, camping, caravan, boating, etc. It's non-toxic and eco-safe as well. And basically all you do is like push down on the you push down on the top and it'll like spray out the stuff. It doesn't actually even look like it's got anything in it. But yeah, we're just going to keep this in the cupboard in the kitchen for those it could happen moments, but hopefully it doesn't. But if it does, at least we've got one of these. So yeah, it wasn't actually that expensive. I think it was like £23 or something, but obviously £23 in the grand scheme of having a fire that you can't put out is worth the money. Okay, now the next random thing I got, now this isn't really kitchen related, so this is, I don't even know what like the proper name for it is. Let me check on my app. Okay, so the name of this little gadget that I'm going to show you is called Identity Theft Protection Stamp Wide Roller Stamp with Package Cutter for Privacy Protection in blue. So it just simply looks like this. So it's a bit of a strange shape. But it has this little thing here, which is basically just a plastic blade, but it just makes opening like boxes and parcels loads easier. So you can see that there, so obviously you can put it away when you're not in use. And then this end comes off and it's like a roller. Now I'll put on the screen what it'll do, but you basically roll the roller over things like your address, account numbers, or anything like that that's on like a letter or something that you've received that you're going to put in the bin that you don't actually need, but you can use this first and then no one can steal your information. But I just thought it was really good. Obviously you can like shred paper and stuff like that as well, but sometimes you just want to get rid, you know, if you're in the moment and you haven't got time to go shred it, put it through the shredder, it's a good idea just to have one of these in the cupboard. And I just like the fact that it's got this little plastic blade on the top, because I'm always forever, the amount of knives I have to get out of the drawer, open a parcel, and then I'm like, well, I can't really then cut food with that, so I have to put it in the dishwasher. It's ridiculous. So yeah, that will come in handy. Okay, the next things up that I've gotten are for protecting like your worktop, so that you don't have to put anything that's like just come out of the oven or just come off the hob straight onto your worktop, especially with us obviously getting brand new worktops. And yeah, we just don't want to risk like breakages, spillages, the heat impacting the worktop or anything like that. So I've got like two different options. So I've bought these, which are like just some silicone trivets, I suppose they're called. I'll take one out so I can show you. So they're like just flexible, but they're quite thin as well, but you could quite easily like put a pan on the top of that and just have it like next to all of your bowls wherever you're serving and stuff like that. But yeah, I just thought things like this will come in super handy. So in this pack you actually get a pack of 4, because let's face it, when you do things like Sunday dinners you have loads of pans and trays and all sorts. So yeah, I did think that these would come in really handy. They do these in loads of different colours. I'll make sure, by the way, that I'll link everything in the description box below for you if there's anything that you're interested in. But yeah, I thought these would come in quite handy. They'll be quite easy to clean if they get dirty and things like that as well, so good little buy. And then the other version, let me just take one out of the packaging because I don't quite think you'll be able to see it as it is. That's better. So this one is a bit just like, it's just like a stainless steel trivet, okay, but it's got like these heat protection mats or like supports on either corner of it, so it'll obviously sit on the worktop with the support of those, and you can put things like big baking trays on here, roasting tins, multiple pans if you wanted to, but I just, yeah, mainly for baking trays and stuff like that. These will come in really handy just to like have our on the worktop, so you can put your baking tray straight onto it, especially like when you've made like your brownies or your cookies or anything like that. I think we did actually buy these like individually, I can't remember, let me check that up. Yeah, so I did buy these individually, but I thought we'd probably end up needing 2, especially when you've got things like Sunday dinners and you've got roast potatoes coming out of the oven at the same time as like your meat and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely thought we'd need 2 of these, and again, just to protect the worktop. Okay, next up is quite exciting because it is the cutlery drawer. So we've got one of those drawers where it's a big drawer and then inside is a cutlery drawer, so it's quite handy because then you're not like, there isn't multiple drawers on the front, but then it just makes the like the depth and the width and things a little bit different. So what we've decided to go for are these like oak woodeny ones. So this is the knife block, so you can basically store knives, like the sharp bits there and then the handles along this section here. But I really like it. I really love the colouring of it. So if you haven't noticed in our house or watched any of my like home renovation vlogs already, we've got a load of like whites, blacks and like oak looking wood is the kind of theme running through pretty much every room of our house, and we love it. So we're taking that straight into the kitchen because everything is there in there already is either white or black or stainless steel as well. So yeah, we thought we'd bring a little bit of oak in there as well, so we're doing that through the cutlery drawer. So you will see, obviously this is the knife block and then this is the cutlery. So this actually expands out, so you'll see on like, let me stand up, you will see like this section here and also this section here actually opens up even wider. I'll put a picture up on the screen just for the base of, I'm not actually opening this yet because I'm going to go and actually probably do it this evening, but we did buy 2 of these and I think this is the one we're going to go for just because of the height wise, like the actual measurements of it being very similar to the knife block. The knife block is just slightly bigger, but I don't think it will make a massive difference, whereas the other cutlery tray that we bought was literally like that much smaller. So yeah, I do think we're probably going to go for this one over the other one, but I think it'll look really nice. I can't wait to have like everything looking all fresh in the cutlery drawer. Okay, next up, so a little bit of like a background to this. So if you haven't watched the home edit on Netflix or even have them on Instagram, then you won't really get the whole like organised fridge, organised life, organised wardrobe, all of that kind of jazz, unless you've then also been on Pinterest and you are a Pinterest queen at looking at all of the organisation hacks, all the little tubs and ways that you can make like organise and just look a little bit more easy on the eye. It makes it easier to restock your fridge, restock your cupboard, stuff like that, and it also makes it really easy for when it comes to creating a shopping list, like, so obviously especially in like the kitchen area. So one thing we really love and takes up a lot of room in the fridge is our cans of pop. So we have like Diet Coke, Pepsi Max, Pepsi Cherry, 7 Up, things like that. So So I've actually ordered these. So basically the cans of pop like sit in here, and you can have 2 levels of it, and they just sit looking really nice in the fridge. And you can obviously see as the stock of it is getting lower, you can easily top it back up really easily without having to like move all the new ones to the front, because they'll literally be on the bottom. I really like these. They did like do another version as well where the cans would actually like roll down themselves. So I'll put a picture up so you can see what I'm talking about and what this will look like when it's actually got cans in as well. We are definitely going to redo we're actually going to put this in the fridge tonight, so I'll put our own picture up of what ours looks like because I'm super excited. And yeah, I just think it's quite handy to have. It already takes up a full shelf in our fridge, all of our cans, so I think we'll be able to get 3 of these next to each other in the fridge, and we'll be able to put a lot more cans in them, so it's actually like saving space as well. But in this set you actually got a set of 4. I know you can't see them very well in here because they're in like little plastic bags, but you just get 4 of these. And I think there was actually an offer on when we bought them, but I'll put all the details in the description box below in terms of like pricing and stuff like that, just so that you know to save them in your basket in case the price does go down again, if it has gone up, because I know what Amazon are like. They like put the prices up, take them down all the time, so it's super annoying as well. I'll put all the price information in the description box below as well, just so that you know like from what kind of price range you're looking for in case they have put the price up for whatever reason. Okay, then another kitchen item that we got was this expandable colander, which can basically like sit over the sink, and you can put all of your like fruit and veg in there and give it a wash. You could obviously drain like potatoes that you've had boiling or any kind of vegetables in there just to drain them off, including pasta, all sorts basically. And I thought because it is multi-size, you'll be able to like adapt it to whatever kind of sink you have. Our sink in our new kitchen is going to be quite big, so I think it should go either way, I'm not too sure, but yeah, I just thought this would come in really handy. They do a lot of these in places like IKEA in Dunelm and things like that, but I've never seen like a white one, and just obviously to go fit in with the kitchen, I thought this would be perfect. And it wasn't too expensive either. I'm pretty sure when we ordered it was like $9.99, which obviously, unless it breaks, I'm not considering like getting a new one or changing it anytime soon, so yeah, we'll make it worth the money. It's been absolutely horrendous trying to like clean our fruit and veg and salad and stuff whilst we haven't had a full kitchen sink tap situation, so I am absolutely dying to use this. And as I'm recording this, it is currently Father's Day evening, and I'm going to hopefully get this video live tomorrow, which will be Monday, and on that Monday our worktops actually get fitted and they put the sink in and stuff like that, and then we just need to wait for it all to be plumbed in. So hopefully I'll be able to use this really soon, like literally, hopefully as you're watching this in a couple of days time. The next thing I got was a new silicone kitchen utensil set, as it says right here on the box that I'm holding. I can't tell you, like, wanted a new set of kitchen utensils, because the ones that we have are like stainless steel, but they also have like a rubbery bit on the handle, and they've been amazing, but obviously there comes a time after washing them for so long, you're going through the dishwasher, them practically melting and stuff like that, that you just need a new set. So I've actually decided to go for a silicone end, which is like the bit that actually deals with your food. Let me show you, it'll be easier if I showed you. The set is actually called Khaki on the Amazon site, but it is still quite a creamy browny khaki colour, if that makes sense. So you get a little spoon rest. This is a bit of a, probably the poorest quality out of the whole set. Okay, so yeah, we'll just put that to one side for now. As an example of one of the products, as you can see, I'm bringing in this kind of like wood effect into the kitchen again because I love it. And then this is the handle. It looks a lot darker on this camera to what it does in real life, but it is very like, I don't know how to explain the colour. It isn't the kind of khaki colour I would say is khaki, but you make that choice. I really like them. The handles are really good quality as well. The set actually does come with these little S bend holders. So if you had like a bar in your kitchen, you could put one end of the S through this little hole at the top, and then you could hang all of your utensils along the wall. Ours are going to live in the cupboard, obviously, minimalism and all that. But you also get a set of measuring spoons, a like ladle, got a spatula with like the holes in. This is the kind of one that you need for like your fried egg. It also comes with matching measuring cups as well, so I think that's really, really good, because how nice is it to have everything matching? So yeah, I'll be able to get rid of the measuring spoons that we already have and replace them with the other spoons that I just showed you, and then obviously the measuring cups as well. I'm literally now just surrounded by all of these utensils that I've got to try and somehow put back in the box they came in, which isn't going to happen, is it? That is not working. Okay, then last but not least, this isn't a kitchen related item, but I needed to share because I know how many people buy these at around like spring, Easter time, and I just couldn't believe the price difference between now, which is now middle of June, to what they usually are in Easter. So it is these gorgeous faux tulips. They are absolutely stunning. Like, I don't know if you can see like how gorgeous they look on camera. I don't think it's doing them justice, but I just thought like I'm gonna buy them now because they were £5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. When I was looking at them in springtime, they were well over £10. So I just think like the difference in the pricing and the fact that they're just really, really nice quality as well. Like the leaves do look a bit weird, but I mean, if you put like a few eucalyptus in there, some other spring faux flowers in the bunch, like the actual tulips look so good, really, really good quality. So yeah, I'm definitely going to link these so that you can get a bargain if you are a mad tulips fan or really like to get into like decorating for springtime. These will be perfect, and because they're so much cheaper now, I highly recommend getting them now and just storing them somewhere and waiting for springtime to come around again. Okay my loves, that is us, we are done. That is the mammoth Amazon haul. Like I don't actually think I actually got that much, but I've been so excited to share them with you because I can't wait to put like the cans in the can holders, our new cutlery and our new utensils in like their proper places. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video now and literally run downstairs with them all so we can put them in. I've been keeping everything like all boxed up and ready and waiting for me to film this video so that I could share everything with you, and then yeah, we're just waiting to put it in the kitchen, so I can't wait. We're gonna go and do that this evening, but I will link everything in the description box below, as I have said a million times in this video already. And do let me know if you get the bargain tulips, because we can all be matching come next springtime, because they are the cutest. You could even like put them as like a place, you know, like on top of a napkin if you was hosting like an Easter dinner or something like that. Oh, they're just absolutely adorable. Highly recommend. But anyway my loves, thank you so much for watching. I love you all as always. I do really appreciate it, every single one of you watching this video and all my other videos. If you're new here, then hello, thanks for joining the family, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Again, I'm having another one of those weeks where I don't have much content planned because I don't have a lot of time. But hopefully my next video will be up on Sunday, as this is going to go up on Monday, so I'll see you all on Sunday, hopefully showing you the worktop, which is super exciting. Right, I'll see you then. Bye.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone.